Flash techniques using a secret ingredient that enhances beauty. By using natural lighting and a flash as a secret ingredient, you can bring out the charm of your subject in a natural way. In this video, we'll be using a Godox V1 clip-on flash, and I'll show you how the subject looks with different light directions. This is an antique set with a large window in the background, so we want the set to look cool too. First, we shoot without a flash and mark the exposure of the subject. Because of the large window in the background, the subject was already dark, so when matching the exposure of the subject, we need a full photo to be brighter, so the window in the background is washed out. This doesn't look good. This time, we match the exposure to the window, so that we can see the window's detail, but that makes the subject become underexposed. This isn't good either. So let's try using the clip-on flash. First, we put it on a flash stand and aim it directly at the subject. Because the flash is direct, the light is harsh and there are strong shadows. The subject's skin ends up looking flat too. This doesn't look very lovely. We want the light to be softer, so we try aiming the light at the subject through white curtains. The light is a little softer, but the curtains are thin, so the light remains harsh and the shadows are strong. We want the light to be even softer, so we try placing the flash on the back right wall and make a bit of a half backlighting. The light that is hitting the subject is now very soft and beautiful. However, the background is too bright and it's become difficult to see the details of the window. Lastly, we try placing the flash in front of lace curtains and bounce that light off of the back right wall. The light that hit the subject is beautiful, there are edge lights, and we can see the details of the window in the back. The brightness balance of the background and the subject is nice, and we were able to take a charming photo of the subject. When the subject is dark, using the flash as a secret ingredient can help the lighting look more natural, and the background and the subject balance will also look nice. Please give it a try. Let's all try to be particular about our lighting.